Okay, this is your spelling pre-test for lesson 24. We only have two more and your book will be complete, your spelling and your grammar book. So that's got to feel good. We're almost done this year. Let's start off. We have 25 words. Remember, you can always hit the pause after each word if you need time to write them out for your pre-test. Number 1, mislead. Sometimes your friend will mislead you into mischief. Mislead. Number 2, dismiss. I will dismiss you early from class. Dismiss. Number 3, insincere. His apology was insincere. Number 4, unable. She was unable to complete her homework. Unable. Number 5, direct. Sometimes there is an indirect object after a verb. Indirect. Number 6, mistreat. It is not good to mistreat your siblings. Mistreat. Number 7, disaster. I am the master of disaster. Disaster. Number 8, dishonest. It is dishonest to copy someone's paper. Dishonest. Number 9, insecure. He was insecure, so he picked on others on the playground. Insecure. Number 10, unknown. It is unknown when we will return to school. Unknown. Number 11, incomplete. That assignment is incomplete. Incomplete. Number 12, unequal. He gave out unequal amounts of his cookies. Unequal. Number 13, unstable. That table is unstable on 3 legs. Unstable. Number 14, misspell. I think I will misspell the word misspell on my spelling pretest. Misspell. Number 15, disagree. I disagree with your answer. Disagree. Number 16, informal. Some days I will dress informal for my Zoom meeting. Informal. Number 17, discover. I will sometimes discover that my students do not finish their work if I do not call them. Discover. Number 18, unwise. It is unwise to hand in your library books late. Unwise. 19, mislaid. I mislaid my pencil and thought it was lost. Mislaid. Number 20, disgrace. It is a disgrace to forget your homework. Disgrace. 21, invisible. Some days I wish I was invisible. Invisible. 22, mishap. I was in an auto accident and it was a large mishap. Mishap. 23, unfortunate. It is unfortunate that you do not get to finish the school year. Unfortunate. 24, discourage. I discourage you from playing video games all the time. Discourage. And the last word, 25, unnecessary. It is unnecessary to write a sentence for every word, just for 10. And that's your spelling pretest. You may correct it on the link and then pick out your 10 words.